My team is responsible for the security and compliance of our network infrastructure, which is about 80,000 network devices. What we needed is a centralized way to manage the security and compliance, and we're leveraging the SaltStack SecOps module to do that. And the advantages it gives us is a single pane view into the security posture of our environment, as well as leverage a lot of the compliance requirements and reporting when we deal with our auditors.
We're able to now pull in SecOps as a group into the IT Ops fold. By adding a module like SecOps to the infrastructure of Salt, you're going to allow security engineers to be part of that. And so what we're seeing with that collaboration is something that other organizations who may not even see that that's a possibility, they'll start seeing it. Because now you're using a similar tool to do the same kind of work. As an example, we work with a lot of our security vendors, and they have similar products out there, but then you're creating these silos. And so I guess that's what this is doing, is it's eliminating some of those silos.
DevOps and the SecOps culture is here to stay, and that future looks super bright. I'm actually very optimistic about what I see. You want to have your security practitioners as well as your compliance teams to be able to sometimes call out for the right reasons the engineering teams and the relevant functional teams to say, hey, this thing that you were doing, are you doing it safely? So that friction has to exist. It's not going to go away exclusively. What will happen is that everyone will eventually look at the same single pane window, if you will, to be able to decipher things and to be able to figure out how to do it safely. The silo effect has to go away. That's the only way that we're going to be able to move the needle forward.
The best thing about SaltStack in my mind is it's API driven, it's modular, and it's extendable. So when you work in an environment with lots of tools, lots of different teams, with different goals, different things driving them. My team is driven by security and compliance, and SaltStack and SecOps allows us to plug right into that environment and seamlessly interact with the other teams and tools.